Welcome back, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on a breathtaking journey over the enchanting island of Santorini. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It helps us bring more of these stunning views right to your screen. Now, let's dive into the mesmerizing world of Santorini, all from a bird's-eye view. There's something truly magical about seeing this island from above. The vibrant blue of the caldera waters, the stark white of the cliff-top buildings. It's like stepping into a living postcard. As we soar over the iconic blue domes and winding pathways, you can see why this place is a bucket list destination. Every corner, every edge of this island tells a story of beauty, history, and a culture preserved through the ages. From the ancient ruins that whisper tales of yesteryears to the bustling streets filled with the aroma of authentic Greek cuisine, each element is a piece in the vibrant mosaic that is Santorini. And while the visuals continue to captivate you, let this soothing music enhance your experience. Feel the wind, embrace the sun's warmth, and let your spirits soar as high as our drones. Thank you for flying with us over Santorini today. If this video sparked your wanderlust, comment below where you'd like us to explore next. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.